Hello lovely friends, welcome back to Vintage Nook. Today we're bringing a touch of nostalgic charm to the heart of the home, our kitchen. If you love the warmth of cottage kitchens, the beauty of red floral patterns, and the timeless appeal of gingham, you're in for a treat. Get ready for a cozy and refreshing spring makeover that will fill your space with vintage magic. Let's dive in. Red floral and gingham patterns bring a nostalgic and cozy touch to any cottage-style kitchen. These timeless prints have been beloved for generations, evoking a sense of warmth and comfort that perfectly complements the essence of spring. Whether used in tablecloths, curtains, or dishware, these patterns instantly brighten up the space, making it feel inviting and full of character. Mixing floral and gingham prints can create a beautifully layered look that feels both vintage and fresh. Pairing soft floral designs with classic checkered gingham adds depth and texture to your kitchen decor. To maintain balance, choose one pattern as the dominant element while using the other as an accent. This way, your kitchen remains visually harmonious without feeling overwhelming. The right shade of red can make all the difference in creating a welcoming and cohesive kitchen space. From deep cranberry to bright cherry, each hue brings its own personality to the decor. A softer, muted red works well with distressed wood and antique furniture, while a vibrant, bold red adds a playful, lively touch to a farmhouse-style kitchen. Incorporating red accents into your kitchen doesn't have to be overwhelming. Small touches like red gingham napkins, floral teacups, or a vintage-inspired bread box can make a significant impact. Even a set of red ceramic canisters or a gingham-trimmed table runner can add just the right amount of charm without overpowering the space. Textiles play a crucial role in enhancing the cottagecore aesthetic, and red floral and gingham fabrics are a perfect match for a spring refresh. A gingham valance above the kitchen window can instantly bring a cheerful touch, while floral seat cushions on wooden chairs add a soft, romantic feel. To create a cozy, lived-in atmosphere, consider layering different fabric textures. A floral tablecloth with gingham placemats can create a lovely contrast, while linen dish towels with red embroidered details enhance the vintage charm. Mixing and matching these textiles allow you to achieve a beautifully curated yet effortless look. One of the joys of decorating in a cottagecore style is the ability to repurpose vintage items to add personality and character. A rustic red enamel teapot can double as a flower vase, while an old wooden crate lined with gingham fabric can become a charming fruit basket. Scour thrift stores or flea markets for unique finds like antique floral tins, red and white checkered aprons, or vintage mixing bowls. These small details create an authentic and nostalgic kitchen space that tells a story. By giving old pieces a new purpose, you can craft a kitchen that feels both sentimental and stylish. Adding handmade elements to your kitchen decor not only personalizes the space but also brings a sense of craftsmanship and warmth. Sewing your own red gingham curtains or creating a floral table runner can be a fun and rewarding project. Handmade pot holders or embroidered tea towels can also add a charming vintage touch. For an easy DIY, try painting wooden spice racks in a distressed red finish or decorating mason jars with floral decoupage. These small projects make a big impact, allowing you to infuse your personality into the kitchen while embracing the charm of red floral and gingham aesthetics. Spring is the perfect time to bring fresh florals into your kitchen to enhance its cottage charm. Red and pink roses, daisies, or tulips beautifully complement the gingham theme, creating a lively and refreshing atmosphere. A simple bouquet in a vintage pitcher can become a stunning centerpiece on your kitchen table. For a more creative approach, consider hanging dried flowers in a rustic arrangement or using floral wreaths on cabinet doors. Fresh herbs like rosemary or basil in red ceramic pots can also add both beauty and functionality to your kitchen while staying in harmony with the overall decor theme. A cottage kitchen should feel like a warm embrace, inviting everyone to gather and enjoy simple moments. Soft lighting from vintage-style pendant lamps or candle sconces can add a cozy ambience, making the space feel even more welcoming. To enhance the sensory experience, consider using scented candles or essential oils in comforting fragrances like vanilla, cinnamon, or floral notes. The combination of warm lighting, nostalgic decor, and delightful scents will make your kitchen a true haven for relaxation and inspiration. Vintage kitchenware is a wonderful way to add charm to a cottagecore kitchen, and red floral or gingham patterns make these pieces even more delightful. Open shelves lined with gingham fabric provide the perfect backdrop for displaying antique teacups, floral plates, or red enamel cookware. If you have a collection of vintage kitchenware, arrange it thoughtfully to create a visually appealing display. Group similar items together, such as red and white ceramics or floral-patterned glassware, to create a cohesive and curated look. The key is to balance functionality with aesthetics, ensuring that your kitchen remains both beautiful and practical. Creating a dreamy red floral and gingham kitchen doesn't have to be expensive. Thrift stores, flea markets, and even DIY projects can help you achieve the aesthetic without breaking the bank. Look for second-hand furniture that can be painted or distressed in red hues for a charming rustic feel. Even small, affordable touches can make a big difference. Red gingham dish towels, floral printed mugs, or a vintage-inspired clock can all contribute to the theme without requiring a major investment. Being resourceful and creative will help you transform your kitchen into a cozy spring haven on a budget. One of the joys of cottagecore decorating is embracing seasonal changes, and spring offers the perfect opportunity to refresh your kitchen. Swapping out darker winter decor for light, airy floral and gingham patterns instantly brightens the space and welcomes the new season. Incorporate elements like pastel dishware, woven baskets filled with fresh fruit, and floral napkins to reflect the vibrancy of spring. A well-decorated seasonal kitchen not only enhances your home's beauty but also makes everyday activities like cooking and dining feel more special and enjoyable. And that's it, friends. With just a few charming touches, your cottage kitchen is now ready to embrace the beauty of spring. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Vintage Nook for more cozy home inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video. Happy decorating!